Hi, this is Synthchaser from Synthchaser.com. In our last video we made a repair to the power supply of this Rhodes Chroma and recapped the synth. So after recapping the synth, the Chroma was up and running, but there were still a couple of other issues which I repaired. Then I calibrated the synth and the voice cards, and I did a few upgrades. The first upgrade I did was to add the CC Plus MIDI kit, which adds MIDI and also expands the memory of the Chroma by 4 times. Also it comes with 200 patches preloaded, which was nice. So previously you could select patches 1 to 50 here. Now there's 4 banks of 50 patches. So for example, right now I'm on patch 1, or program 1 of bank 1, which sounds like this. And I can hit hold program, select, and hit the bank number I want to go to, so bank 2, and then hit patch 1 again, and I can go to bank 3, bank 4. So that was a nice feature to have, extra patch memory. The next upgrade was to assemble this programming module from a kit. So the Chroma has 50 different parameters that you can adjust for each patch, but it only has the one data entry slider, which makes programming the Chroma a pain and performance control over the Chroma impossible. There are a few solutions out there to make the Chroma more user-friendly by breaking the programming parameters out to their own pots or switches. Before I found a new home for this Chroma, I had picked up a Behringer BCR 2000 and was planning on using that as a controller. But then I found a nice home for this Chroma, and this particular programmer came out, and it seemed to be better looking, better quality, and more full-featured. It has more pots than the Behringer, not quite the 50, so there's a few that are doubled up, but that's not a problem. And it has this nice OLED screen there that you can see the values of what you're changing and the name of the parameter that you're changing. The downside to this was that it was expensive, even in kit form. So I'll fiddle around for a minute or two and show you some of the sounds the Chroma is capable of and how you can use the programmer as a performance control. So this Chroma is now headed off to its new home where I know it's going to be put to really good use. I actually have another Rhodes Chroma lying around, so if you're watching these videos and you decide you have to have one, drop me a line. This has been Synthchaser from synthchaser.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.